Hello.
Hello.
We are gonna need a vinegar
Vinegar.
and some baking soda.
I'm making soda. I'm making soda.
Baking soda, and we're gonna
Just like a red
pour
soda.
on this balloon right here.
And
Use a funnel.
And the bowl and the balloon.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And
Okay, we're gonna do it right here. Use a funnel. So then you're gonna put the vinegar in a little bottle like this, and you're gonna put some baking soda inside the balloon using the funnel. We're doing a science experiment with some balloon and vinegar and baking soda. Are you ready?
Look, I see the vinegar up there. I see the vinegar and the spray. That's mine.
Yeah. So okay. Get ready.
And look, this spray is green.
Yeah. So put the balloon over and let all the baking soda go. Go. Pour more. Look, let go of the balloon. Let go of the balloon. Look. Look at that. The balloon is filling up.
Yes.
The balloon is filling up.
See
Whoa.
how it go up.
It's blowing.
See how
The
it go
vinegar
up.
and baking soda is blowing it up.
This,
Look how cool the experiment. That is awesome. You saw that? The vinegar and baking soda blew up the balloon. It put air on it.
yes, now